Sinto would like to introduce you to a product that makes it possible to recreate the touch and feel of a skilled worker. The 6-axis Force Sensor ZYXer. The assembly of epicyclic or planetary gear set requires a sensitive touch. Even with human workers, possible interference between gears can cause damage to the gear's teeth, creating defective gear sets. Robots enabled with vision cannot sense interference between the gears, making this nearly impossible to assemble. A robot enabled with ZYXer can feel the interference between the 4 planet gears and sun gear. With only 0.7 millimeter clearance between them, ZYXer carefully controls force and position of the sun gear, while it is being inserted between the planet gears. ZYXer can even compensate for the smallest of mounting dimension errors. A robot enabled with ZYXer can assemble an H7 G6 sliding fit shaft and bearing without damaging the bearings. Achieve uniform deburring of complex shapes by tracing along the surface with an even and consistent force. A ZYXer-enabled robot using its sensitive touch, combined with a vision sensor, can pick random bolts without damaging the bolt's threads. Robots integrated with ZYXer sensors contribute to the automation of work that previously depended on humans. ZYXer's strain gauge sensor, combined with Sinto's unique design, enables world-class high precision and torque. With a wide range of products available in our lineup, we have a ZYXer for your application. We can also respond to large quantity orders. With our unique quality control equipment and procedures, we provide an accurate and reliable sensor. ZYXer makes it possible to automate tasks performed by skilled workers. For inquiries, please contact Sinto America.